Subscriber, our topic is the continue. So the type of a motor is like as a shaded pole motor. In this video, we will cover the topic of shaded pole motor definition, using of a shaded pole motor, introduction of a shaded pole, what is advantages of a shaded pole, and why this motor is used for that purpose. Thanks. Subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon to watch more videos like this. Thanks. So we continue the first topic, the introduction or a definition of a shaded pole motor. A shaded pole motor is a small square gauge motor in which the acceleration winding is composed of a copper rings or a bar surrounding the portion of each pole. When a single phase AC supply is given to the starter winding due to the shading provided to the poles or rotate the magnetic field in a generator. What is the shaded pole motor used? Means purpose, why this motor is designed and what is the purpose of this motor? Application of a shaded motor, induction motor. They are suitable for a small device like a relay and the fans because of its a low cost and easily starting used in the exhaust fan, hair dryers and also the table phone. Used for the starting economic clocks and a single phase synchronous timing motors. What is mean by a shaded pole motor? A single-phase induction motor in a small ring made up of a self-starting flux displacement driven by means of a permanently short-circuit high-resistance winding or a loop in circulating or a fraction of the pole pitch or a pole piece. What are the advantages of a shaded pole induction motor? Advantages and disadvantages and the application of a various advantages of a shaded pole motors includes a very cheap, reliable, easy of a constructed, extremely regular in nature. Disadvantages includes the low frequency, low starting torque, since the shaded coil is made up of a copper and copper loss is high. Thanks for watching my video.